We are going to go over consonant clusters. This is when two consonants are next to each other and blend together when we say them. We are going to look at the consonant clusters at the beginning of words. So I'll give you an example. B all together, blah, 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 black, black, black. So we blend the BL, black, black. Let's look at some words that have consonant clusters. This is a block, block, B-L-O-C-K, block. She has blonde hair, B-L-O-N-D-E, blonde, blonde. Blow, blow, B-L-O-W, blow. She can't see. She's using a stick to walk with. She is blind, blind, blind. This part of the knife is the blade, blade, B-L-A-D-E, blade. This is a blister, 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 B-L-I-S-T-E-R, blister. This plant blooms. The flowers come out, bloom, B-L-O-O-M, bloom. This is blood, blood, B-L-O-O-D, blood, blood. So we have block, blonde, blow, blind, blade, blister, bloom, blood, blah. BL sounds like blah. Let's look at these words. We're going to read the word and then add a B in front of it and see how that changes the sound. This is lack, lack. If we add a B, we have black, black. This is leech, leech. If we put a B in front of it, it's bleach, bleach. This is lend, lend. If we put a B in front, we have blend, blend. Less, this is less. If we put a B in front, we have bless, bless. Link, link. If we put a B in front, blink, blink. This is limp, limp. If we put a B in front, we have blimp, a kind of an airplane, blimp. This is lock, lock. If we put a B, we have block, block. Loom, loom. When we put a B in front, we have bloom, bloom. Low, low. When we put a B in front, we have blow, blow. Let's look at some sentences and try to guess the word. Is that your dog? Is that your, what word could we use? How about, is that your black dog? B-L-A-C-K. Is that your black dog? Is that your black dog? How about number two? A is a kind of airplane. A is a kind of airplane. Blimp, blimp, B-L-I-M-P. A blimp is a kind of airplane. Blimp. My house is one from here. My house is one block. Block. B-L-O-C-K. My house is one block from here. Don't the whistle. Don't the whistle. How about blow? Don't blow the whistle. Blow. How do you spell blow? B-L-O-W. Don't blow the whistle. Don't blow the whistle. Flowers, in April. What do you think? What do flowers bloom? Flowers bloom in April. Bloom, bloom. B-L-O-O-M. Flowers bloom in April. Her hair is, remember this word, blonde. Her hair is blonde. B-L-O-N-D-E. Her hair is blonde. My new shoes give me, remember this word? Blisters. My new shoes give me blisters. B-L-I-S-T-E-R-S. My new shoes give me blisters. The is broken on my knife. This part is the blade. The blade is broken on my knife. Blade. B-L-A-D-E. The blade is broken on my knife. So let's look at these words again. Black, black. Leech, bleach. Lend, blend. Less, bless. Link, blink. Limp, blimp. Lock, block. Loom, bloom. Low, blow. So that cluster is BL, BL together. Now we're going to talk about another cluster, and this one is BR, brah, brah. BR, brah, brah, brah. This is a bracelet, bracelet. B-R-A-C-E-L-E-T, bracelet. This is a bracelet. These are braids, braids. One is a braid. B-R-A-I-D, braid, braid, braid. This part of the tree is a branch, branch, B-R-A-N-C-H, branch. This is a brush, brush your hair, brush, brush. B-R-U-S-H, brush. This is bread, bread, bruh. B-R, bread, B-R-E-A-D, bread, bread. This is a bridge, bridge, B-R-I-D-G-E, a bridge. This is broken, 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 B-R-O-K-E-N, broken. This is breakfast. See the eggs and the bacon? Breakfast, breakfast. B-R-E-A-K-F-A-S-T, breakfast, breakfast. Let's look at some words. Read the words without the B and then with the B. Rake, rake, and with the B, break, rake, break. Rag, with a B, brag, rag, brag. Ran, ran, with a B, bran, ran, bran. Rain, rain, brain, brain. Rave, rave, brave. Right, bright, bright. Ring, bring, bring. Room, broom, broom. Let's look at some sentences. A woman is not afraid. A woman, what do you think? A brave woman is not afraid. B-R-A-V-E. A brave woman is not afraid. The sun is very today. The sun is very today. Bright. The sun is very bright today. B-R-I-G-H-T. The sun is very bright today. Use the to clean the floor. Use the to clean the floor. Broom, broom, broom. B-R-O-O-M. Broom. Use the broom to clean the floor. Do you have a comb and Do you have a comb and brush? Do you have a comb and brush? How do you think you spell brush? B-R-U-S-H. Brush. Do you have a comb and brush? A is part of a tree. A branch, branch. A is part of a tree, branch. B-R-A-N-C-H. A branch is part of a tree. Some girls their hair. Some girls braid their hair. Some girls braid their hair. B-R-A-I-D. Some girls braid their hair. He has a gold bracelet. He has a gold bracelet. Bracelet. B-R-A-C-E-L-E-T. He has a gold bracelet. And cheese make a good sandwich. And cheese make a good sandwich. Bread, 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 bread. B-R-E-A-D. Bread and cheese make a good sandwich. So we talked about BL, blah, and BR, bruh. Let's read these. Bed, bead, boom, bade. Bed. Now let's add an L. Bed, add an L. Bled. Bed, bled. Let's add an R. Bread. Bed, bled, bread. Bead. Bead, add an L. Bleed. Bleed, add an R. Breed. Bead, bleed, breed. Boom. Boom, add an L. Bloom, add an R. Broom. Boom, bloom, broom. Bade. Bade, let's add an L. Blade and an R. Braid. Bade, blade, braid. Let's look at them again. Bed, bled, bread. Bead, bleed, breed. Boom, bloom, broom. Bade, blade, braid. Now this is for you to do. So I want you to get a piece of paper and you're going to write down the sound that you hear. I'm either going to say the word with a BL, blah, or a BR, brah. So I want you to write 1 through 12. So number 1, I want you to write branch. 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 Number 2, I want you to write blush. 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 Number 3, I want you to write blue. Blue. What do you hear at the beginning? Do you hear BL or BR? Blue. Number 4, I want you to write bled. Bled. What do you hear at the beginning? What 2 letters? Bled. Number 5, I want you to write bloom. Bloom. What are the 2 letters you hear? Bloom. Number 6, I want you to write branch. Branch. What are the 2 consonants that you hear? Branch. Number 7, I want you to write blue. Blue, like I blew out the candle. Blue. Number 8, brush. Brush, like brush your hair. What are the 2 letters you hear at the beginning? Brush. Number 9, I want you to write bread. 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 What are the 2 letters you hear at the beginning? 10, I want you to write broom. Broom. What are the 2 letters you hear? 11, I want you to write blade. Blade. And 12, write braid. Braid. Okay, now you can check and see if you wrote what I said, that sound that you heard. So the first one I said branch. B-R. Branch. Number 2, I said blush. Blush. B-L-U-S-H. Blush. Number 3, I said blue. Blue. B-L-U-E. Blue. Number 4, I said bled. Bled. B-L-E-D. Bled. Number 5, bloom. Bloom. B-L-O-O-M. Bloom. 6, branch. Branch. B-R. Branch. 7, blue. Blue, like he blew out the candle. B-L. Blue. 8, brush. Brush, like brush your teeth. B-R. Brush. Number 9, bread. Bread. B-R. Bread. Number 10, broom. Broom. Sweep with a broom. B-R. Broom. Number 11, blade. Blade. B-L. Blade. And number 12, braid. Braid. B-R. Braid your hair. Braid. Now I'm going to say a word and you can fill in the 2 letters at the beginning. All you have to do is write the 2 letters. For number 1, a bridge is over that river. A bridge is over that river. Write the 2 letters, either B-L or B-R. Number 2, where is my hairbrush? Where is my hairbrush? Number 3, write the 2 letters that you hear. She likes to braid her hair. She likes to braid her hair. Braid. Number 3, is he a blonde or a brunette? Is he a blonde or a brunette. Brunette is brown hair. Blonde is like yellow hair. Number 5, the branch is broken off the tree. The branch is broken off the tree. Number 6, is this your blue blanket? Is this your blue blanket? So the first one, a bridge, B-R. A bridge is over that river. Number 2, where is my hairbrush? B-R, brush. Number 3, she likes to braid her hair. B-R, she likes to braid her hair. Number 4, is he a blonde? Blonde, B-L, or a brunette? B-R, brunette, brown hair. Number 5, the branch, B-R, is broken off the tree. Broken, B-R, broken. Number 6, is this your blue blanket? Blue, B-L, blue blanket. B-L, blanket. Is this your blue blanket? How did you do? Okay, now we're going to talk about another cluster. This is P-L, P-L, pl, pl, P-L together, pl, pl, pl. What is this? This is a plug. Plug. What do you hear? Plug. P-L-U-G. Plug. This is a plant. Plant. P-L-A-N-T. Plant. Plant. This pattern is plaid. Plaid. P-L-A-I-D. Plaid. This is a plane. Plane. P-L-A-N-E. Plane. This is a plow. Plow. To dig a hole in the field. Plow. P-L-O-W. Plow. This is a plate. Plate. P-L-A-T-E. Plate. This baby is kind of chubby. Chubby. Plump. Plump. P-L-U-M-P. Plump. Plump. Play. Play the piano. Play. P-L-A-Y. Play. Let's look at them again. Plug. Plug. Plant. Plant. Plaid. Plaid. Plane. Plane. Plow. Plow. Plate. Plate. Plump. Plump. Play. Let's read the word and then add a P. Lay. Lay. If we add a P, play. Lay, play. Lane. Lane. If we add a P, plane. Lane, plane. Lug. If we add a P, plug. Lug, plug. Late. P, plate. Late, plate. Lank. If we add a P, plank. Lank, plank. Lump. If we add a P, plump. Lump, plump. Lace. Lace. We add a P, place. Place. Lease. We add a P, please. 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 Let's see if we can find the word that goes in here. Can you cards? Can you cards? Can you play cards? How do you spell play? Can you play cards? play, Play. Can you play cards? The old is broken. The old plate, plate, plate. Plate. The old plate is broken. She is not very fat. She's plump, plump, plump. Plump, plump. Say and thank you. Say please and thank you. Say please. Here's please and thank you, please. Please. Say please and thank you. They peas in the garden. They peas. They plant. 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 How do you spell it? Plant. What do you hear? P-L-A-N-N-T. They plant peas in the garden. They plant peas in the garden. She is wearing a skirt. This pattern, plaid. She is wearing a plaid skirt. Plaid. P-L-A-I-D. She is wearing a plaid skirt. A is in the sky. A is in the sky. Plane. A plane is in the sky. Plane. P-L-A-N-E. A plane is in the sky. Please put the in the sink. Please put the in the sink. Plate. Please put the plate in the sink. Plate. P-L-A-T-E. Silent E. Plate. Please put the plate in the sink. And here is consonant sounds together. Two consonants. P-R. Pr. 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 This is the price. 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 P-R-I-C-E. Price. Price. This is a prize. Prize. P-R-I-Z-E. Prize. He's a king. He is a prince. Prince. P-R-I-N-C-E. Prince. Prince. This is a present. 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 P-R-E-S-E-N-T. Present. Present. This is writing. This is printing. Print. Print. P-R-I-N-T. Print. This is like a jail. It's a prison. Prison. P-R-I-S-O-N. Prison. Prison. This says keep out. Nobody can come in. This is private. Private. P-R-I-V-A-T-E. Private. He is praying. This is pray. Pray. P-R-A-Y. Pray. Let's look at these words. Price. Price. Prize. Prince. Prince. Present. Print. Print. Prison. Prison. Private. Private. Pray. Pray. Let's look at these words and then add a P. Raise, raise. If we add a P, praise. Ray, ray, pray. Resident, resident. If we add a P, president, president. Rice, we add a P, price, price. Ride, if we add a P, pride. Roof, roof, we add a P, proof. Let's see if we can guess the word. Thank you for the birthday. What do you think? Thank you for the birthday present. Thank you for the birthday present. Present. P R E S E N T. Present. Remember the present. Birthday present. That is a office. That is a office. Private. Nobody can go. Only one person. Private. 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 P R I V A T E. Private. Private. The son of the king is the son of the king is the prince. Prince. P R I N C E. The son of the king is the prince. If you rob a bank, you go to prison. If you rob a bank, you go to prison. P R I S O N. Prison. If you rob a bank, you go to prison. Don't write your name. Please it. Print. Print. Don't write your name. Please print it. P R I N T. Print it. I go to church to I go to church to pray. Pray. P R A Y. I go to church to pray. What does it cost? What does it cost? What is the price? What is the price? Price. P R I C. Oops, that's a C. E. Price. What is the price? Let's do this one again. What is the price? P R I C E. His dog is going to win first prize. Prize. His dog is going to win first prize. P R I Z E. Prize. See the difference between price, prize. Price, prize. So again, we have PL, pla, pla, PR, pra, pra, pla, pra. Let's read these words. Pay, pie, peasant. Pay, let's add an L. Pay, play. Pay, play. Let's add an R. Pray. Pay, play, pray. Pie, let's add an L. Ply, let's add an R. Pry. Pie, ply, pry. Peasant, peasant, let's add an L. Pleasant, pleasant, let's add an R. present, present. Peasant, pleasant, present. Okay, now it's time for you to get a piece of paper and you're going to write the word, and you're going to start with either a PL or a PR. So you need to listen to what I say. Number 1, plank, plank. What are the 2 letters you hear at the beginning? Plank. Number 2, plow, plow. Number 3, pray, pray, pray. Number 4, pleasant, pleasant, pleasant. Number 5, plum, plum. What are the 2 letters you hear at the beginning? Plum. Number 6, plank, plank. Number 7, present, present, present. Number 8, plastic, plastic. Number 9, problem, problem, problem. Number 10, prow, prow. Number 11, practice, practice. Number 12, praise, praise. So let's see how you did. Number 1, plank, plank. P-L, plank. Number 2, plow, plow. P-L, plow. Number 3, pray, pray. P-R, pray. Number 4, pleasant, pleasant. P-L, pleasant. It's a pleasant day. Number 5, plum, plum. P-L-U-M, plum. Number 6, plank, plank. P-L, plank. Number 7, present, present. P-R, present. Number 8, plastic, plastic. P-L, plastic. Number 9, problem, problem. I have a problem. P-R, problem. Number 11, prow, prow. P-R, prow. Number 12, practice, practice. You need to practice. P-R, practice. 12, praise, praise. Good job. Praise. P-R, praise. Now you're going to write what you hear. Prunes. So you need to write the 2 letters you hear. Prunes and plums are fruits. So you can just write the 2 letters and the 2 letters. Prunes and plums are fruits. Prunes and plums are fruits. So what did you hear? Prunes. We have to start this with a capital because it's the beginning. P-R, prunes, and plums, P-L, are fruits. He's not going to play baseball. Play. What are the 2 letters you hear? He's not going to play baseball. Play. P-L-A-Y, play. He's not going to play baseball. I need to practice my English. I need to practice my English. What do you hear? I need to practice. P-R. The dishes are made of plastic. The dishes are made of plastic. Plastic. P-L. Plastic. A farmer has a plow to make a garden. A farmer has a plow. Plow. P-L. Plow to make a garden. Please sit down. Please, and we have to start with a capital P because it's at the beginning. Please sit down. That's it.